Hello YouTubers, here again we have another product review. Here I have bed protection against bed bugs. So I am changing this old bed mattress protection because it's been a long time and it's a little bit soiled and it's timely to change now. So I have here a new Nature Warrior against bedbug. It's 100 plant extract nanofusion technology using patented miniaturization method against ingredients are locked into the core of the fiber, retaining effectiveness up to 5 years, annihilating all bugs upon contact. So here the benefit of nanotized mattress protector. Here it terminates bed bugs in a form of protective barrier against future infestation and keep mattress clean by absorbing bodily fluids such as blood, sweat, and drool, and help reduce allergies against dust, microbes, and other allergens. So here the width, this is 1.150 centimeter and the length is 200 centimeter. This nanotized mattress protector can be machine washed below 70 degrees Celsius, and you should not bleach and do not use softener when washing this, with using only medium to heat tumble dry, and do not dry clean please. This is patented Taiwan technology. So here I have to change my bed protector.